Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. For those who are new to this channel, you are welcome, and my name's Joy. If you like this channel after watching this video, subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell for notifications so you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. So today's video, I am showing you the best way to wash grapes, and if you would like to see how I am able to do this, keep watching. Okay, so you need the grapes, of course, and salt. Sale is salt. Okay, and you need apple cider vinegar, scissors, and a spoon to scoop the salt. Sale is in Italian language, that is salt, and apple cider vinegar is aceto di mela in Italian language. Of course, to do this, you need the grapes and a bowl, and then detach the grapes from the stem. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay. So after that is done, I'm going to sort out the bad ones and take them away. Even if we run late, this morning let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? After sorting out the bad ones, I'm going to wash the grapes a few times before adding the salt and the apple cider vinegar. That is aceto di mela in Italian language. I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the wind. We have to keep removing the bad ones and keep washing. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? It is time to add the salt, so I'm going to take 3 spoons of that and add it to the water. Go on by, take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours. We can afford lying in bed. After applying the salt, I will go in with the apple cider vinegar. That is aceto di mela in Italian language, and I'm going to take that much. Okay. Locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday. And then I'm going to mix them together and leave it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will come back and wash the grapes. So this is what the water is looking like. It looks dirty and dull. This is after 10 minutes. It's time to wash the grapes,
and wash it clean. Gently wash the grapes like so.
We could save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world turn someday? When nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We could save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go?
I went on to add more salt to the grapes because it needs it. So just be generous with the salt, okay?
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the
So I'm going to keep washing and rinsing it until I get my desired look, okay? I like my grapes water to be clean as it should be before I'll stop rinsing it to get the salt and the apple cider vinegar out of the grapes to have its natural taste.
day I'm home. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this time, and I hope you did enjoy watching this video. Consider to share with your family and friends, and let me know what you think about this video at the comment section. I love you all, and do consider to subscribe if you like the channel. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. As always, joy. Bye. Ciao, ciao.